Here is the World Championship leader, Joan Mir, who so far has had a brilliant season and a aborted comeback in her 21. Now, unfortunately, earlier on this week, of course, Aprilia's 2021 plans.
You know, I know you fought long and hard for him, but what is your plan from here? I don't know, but I think very soon we will find out. So it's different what to do
Quite clear though, wasn't it, there? RSGP wants the next level, the most experienced lineup in Motogp next year with the latest fire grade. I was underrated early on board, but that didn't work out. Plan B was Dobbing, that's not worked out as well, so we'll keep close tabs. It's gone out with soft career ties in early on in this session. Stefan Bradl, Morbidelli, who was quickest until Joan Zarco combined standings. As Mir goes fastest to 31.080. We just saw his crew chief down going into this race on Sunday. Yeah, Frankie, all the way to Finland, triple headers. I know that Frankie Carcetti was absolutely petrified of just getting the test results here, but he said our number one job, this was last Sunday, getting a negative result from our next set of COVID seasons gone on to both Joan and Frankie. I think Joan has got a message to say to the boss. He's been so concerned about minimising the risk of exposure by, at this point, they have to encounter in this kind of environment. But stress and suffering, he says, I've got one of the best jobs in the world. I still want to look into the top 10. Obviously, was down to sixth, who suffered far, far worse than what we said about Motogp. Sunday, the way that Joan Mir just showed what a bad sound that young man is. I mean, he's going to be for Suzuki for many years to come from Motogp. 48 hours time, I guess. Yeah, he put brilliant perspective on it, didn't he? And the message is still the same to everybody from when we started the season in Fleet. This has put some sort of smile on your face because it has been the most bizarre 2020 Motogp season. Now, Andrea Dovizioso on next year's career. Coxlow, we mentioned earlier on, confirmed in the lunch break, he won the Yamaha Morbidelli and Valencia Rossi on 0.53. The best crossing the line just ahead of Coxlow on circuit. He's in fourth. He was talking quite big on Sunday post-race, Pecco Bagnaia, saying the good thing that's been missing really ever since that first podium in Misano. A little bit too excited after a few bad races. How far down the start into the top things when you qualify so badly, you have to push hard to recover those positions. And to around mid-season, good news, everyone. World Championship. This morning, unbelievable triple crown this morning. Now here is Maverick Vinales. One of the common teammates, two riders look like they're working together, not against each other. And then that was Maverick Vinales in 2015 onwards. Alex Rins now is 14th in Motogp, and of course you can't forget Suzuki. Suzuki looked like behind the scenes. Sylvain Ginkley was actually on site here, Labour. Have a positive conclusion, all being well. Sensational, but as here and Rins quite rightly points out, it is not over yet. And in a 2020 site being called Davide Brivio come Sunday afternoon, and to the other riders, such as this track, what the maximum heart rate was. I think he was told it was around 124 on Sunday. I think he will suffer a bit more on the start on Friday. Alex brings back-to-back front rows now for him, having only had 2 front row starts. And he said the pack, doesn't it? If the Suzuki can start qualifying well, and with how good they are at managing the rear tyre in particular over the right now.
make a step forward for the second one, but it's going to be a step forward from the results last week. What are you hoping for this weekend?
Yeah, first of all, it's for us, we're always competitive, and it's so good to see that the brand also could do that fantastic result from a bad start position and the long lap penalty. Race 1 second behind these guys, so I think it's always a better weekend on the second weekend. But
Margaret is in, said he's on the pipe and he's feeling pretty good. Did the entire session this morning on used tyres, did Binder, and today is not Brad Binder's day. He didn't feature at all on Friday, really. For our thoughts on the South African
FP2, but in the meantime, looks like Taka's already there. He's 2 tenths up in sector 3, and he comes across the line then to set the benchmark time in this session.
And FP3 in particular, going for
The condition is changing a lot. So now we have a good information from all the Sunday, and for me, except the front soft, all the other specifications that are race hard real. Then you can mix maybe watching the feeling, the rider feeling, about the for me, the track is much better now. Last week it was more quick. It's only running the hard real last week, and it was the tire pressure in the track. So you thinking it's likely that some, maybe even him, it was not a gamble what he did. We know that the compounder from the hard rear, he was quicker. I think he was missing some effort from the track, some other.
Bit of a menace from its market so far. It's crucial time as well. It's away, and because it's the cold side of the right tyre as well, the other one's out of that fairway. That's how Alex was riding, of course. But they were clearly just working at the moment on race pace. Further back down the order, Binder 17th, Rossi 18th, ones here on the mediums. Yeah, chipping away at championship, we saw how deflated he was. Those emotional scenes after the race when he had his head in his hands, coupled with Joan Mir's breakout first when it was maximum damage inflicted by Mir in many respects, with lane start Andrea Dovizioso on the grid. Joan Mir, he'll be hoping that there are no glitches and no twists and turns in his camp here this weekend, like there have been for so many since we arrived in Austria. Second, fourth, third, second. It looks like an immovable object at the moment at the top of the World Championship. Oh, it's gone down. Can you believe it? The commentary curse.
Wow.
Yeah, it looked like he's slightly wide on entry there.
Didn't see the screen just to make sure as well. That'd be a relatively quick repair.
Yeah, how crucial could this be for Joan Mir?
Right, he'll miss me, then back to the forward me, yeah. He seems to be okay. No problems whatsoever, just the routine tip off the turn forward. A good shake of the head. That last time he's going to
What are the thoughts of Fabio Quartararo as he readies himself to see the decline there for Mir? He's round at turn 4 okay this time.
still see a bit of Davey in the gravel trap there. I think they were a little spinning out of turn 4 a few moments ago.
Click through sector 3 and he's on the money. He's only 600 down.
A little bit paying this weekend, doesn't he, Davide Brivio? So much at stake for Suzuki. Other people would have been putting too much money on that at the start of the season, but it's been such a dramatic season.
Full into pit lane.
Alex Rins is fully engaged time attack mode. He just climbed up to 7th place thanks to a 30 in a row. Keep his golden money going. Podium, which he hopes somehow will keep the Champagne Vignales and Malaysia Spargo their times from this morning present.
Have them in Q2 as it stands.
So still Taka Nakagami then that leads the way. Him and Zarco, the only two men in this second session that have found anything unlikely to beat that, unless he's had the final second of his career here in Valencia. Still picks up a good position though, Rins, in the top 10 because Mir and Rossi was Malaysia Spargo on the factory of brilliant. And Malaysia didn't.
Here comes Polis Fargo. Where is he now going across the line? With a 31.1.
The exact same lap time set by Franco Morbidelli as well. Down to Maverick Vignales in 18th place. And Steve mentioned that moment is still holding on to a place in Q2 on the combine end for
Joan Mir, this could challenge Nakagami's time. Across the line we go. Far away.
behind Mir and Rossi on that last circuit to get himself up inside the top 10. We might have an Espada. He is, in fact, he's done that all on his own, man. Great job, that's a brilliant job by him on the factory KTM. The pole man from last weekend, he's gone second to dip into those 130s.
Stefan Bradl improves again at 31.106.
Wild cards restricted, no wild cards because of the paddock restrictions on team personnel.
Here he is, the front end to catch him down. He's been in some rough form of late. He comes out of the last corner, he gets the power down on his
Year on for the Moto2 champ, BNFs in the last 3 races. So he's desperately trying to find
speed sideways there from the World Championship leader, Joan Mir.
Maverick Vignales then seen 12th. Good lap this by Miller, excellent lap. Mir at the moment in 8th place.
Fast.
So best time we've seen so far across the 2 weekends in Valencia, 30.622.
Banyais, it's all hotting up in the closing stages.
Malaysia's qualifying sessions this season have not really hurt Suzuki this season.
Cal Crutchlow goes up into 7th for 30.9 for the Brit. That's a good lap from Cal. That just took 9 men.